G'day, here's a larger parcel of seam opal pieces from Lightning Ridge, Australia. The rules in millimetres, and the parcel's been wetted to help highlight the colours. The white you can see in a few spots there, like there. It's the light reflecting off the water. Just go in a bit closer so you get a better look. Okay, I've gone in a bit closer, and this is, haven't moved the pieces, just as they were. It's about 50mm thick, this layer of opal on the base board. I'll go through and show you a few of the pieces. I'm going to do every one, take too long. As you can see, they're larger pieces. Colour bar going through there in the middle. Some have got more colour than others. That piece doesn't appear to have much in it. There's a lot of pieces here, so there's hours of fun. Some smaller bits down the bottom there. This is just as it came out of the bag. There's hours and hours of fun going through this and cutting and grinding. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.